today being a holiday and DM being around, we've decided to have some party time with the kids. Yes. So one of his favorite snacks is popcorn. So today we're going to make popcorn and share it to the kids he has been playing with since he came back. Yeah. So take and stay, and then to go with some games.
Go!
Everything I bang down, I be like validation, steady on my way to the top. I be like Johnny.
Obi abenye bi mu komochi. Yana be gina hase. Mu komochi.
No forget no be lamba. Everything I bang down, give glory to the maker. Everything for this life got balance. Evidence in no gallant. Happiness deep inside of me. I'm not too fit to steal. Think I shall blind, I try. Every people that go talk. I don't need your validation. Steady on my way to the top.
La babada.
having a fun day for the kids here. We just decided to have this fun day for the kids, and I love it. Like, it just feels good to like try to give out to the children.
Yeah, because they are a blessing.
Yeah. So I'm happy. My son is happy. We are all happy. The children are happy. That's basically it. Yeah. So stick and stay. Bye.